Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is Shakoy, a fried twisted donut, and it's very delicious. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my Shakoy recipe. Self-raising flour, fresh milk, white sugar. Now let's prepare the dough. Alright guys, in a mixing bowl, pour the milk. Then add the sugar. Mix it up until all combine. Now we can add the flour. Just half. This there, guys. Now add the remaining. Mix it all up until all combine. And in this point, we can start kneading. Use your hands. And just add a bit of flour. That's it guys, and start kneading. That's it. Knead it guys. Keep kneading guys. Now we made the dough, cut quarterly. That's it guys, and you only need one and shape into a bowl. Okay, guys. Then next one. And then next one. And then that's it. Now we can start rolling. Sprinkle a bit of flour on the surface. Then start rolling your dough from the center and spread both ends. So, just like that. And then meet both ends and twist 4 times. There you are. And pinch. You have to pinch that guys, okay? That bottom. And that's it. That's ready. Now we need to repeat the process. It's very easy. It's like a Play-Doh. Then you just twist it like that. And then press it to seal it. Set aside. And start another one. Okay, done. Start another one. That's it. Done. And here is all I done guys. Ta-da! Just 4 out of that dough. Now the shakoy are ready to be fried. Okay guys, let's place this in bag to coat sugar. Put the sugar there guys, just a little bit. Then close the bag and we can shake it out. And now this is ready. Serve and enjoy. Now let's taste it. That's delicious. Fluffy and soft inside and crispy outside. Try it. Cheers! I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon!